Well, that's a new look. A real new look. Green. Green on the day. Yes! Not gonna lie, I really needed a green day. It seemed like it has been nothing but a frustrating, slow roll, grind. And it was nice. It was really nice to finally get green. But here's the best part about this green. I traded it. It wasn't lucky. I mean, trading is kind of lucky, but it wasn't like gambling lucky. I didn't just happen to roll an 8 at the craps table. Like, I consciously chose when to get in, when to get out. I closed my losses in a hurry and held my gains a little bit longer than normal. Whoa. When I say it back to myself, I'm thinking, yes, you're not a complete idiot. Today, you chose not to be an idiot. So, I'm pretty happy. I'm really happy with today's trades. And I want to show you the two charts, the two stocks that were like pretty impressive, pretty red hot, and the tale of two stories, because these two stocks really took on a whole different day, and there was money to be made on both, but the tale of two stocks. The first stock we're going to look at is INDP. And INDP, right at the beginning of the bell, it was getting hot, really hot. And I didn't trade any of this. No. I started jumping in right in this area, and then it sold off. That was my experience of INDP. I'm guessing a whole lot of traders made a whole lot of money on this stock today. I lost $132 on INDP because I traded high and it didn't develop. Like, it was it ran out of steam. It didn't go anywhere. I was trading at the top of the momentum, and it just didn't work out. So I lost money on INDP. Here's what's interesting about INDP. The rest of the story is it actually continued to go up. Look at that stock. If you look at it on the whole day, so that's from the beginning of the hours to the end of the hours, it went up. What is this? $12 to $29. I lost money on that, by the way. So it went up like $15, $16, $17, but it gave it all back in one day. It went up $17 and back down $17 in one day. That stock, in my opinion, is a piece of crap. So, and I know there was guys that kept trying to like grab dip trades like down into this area, kept trying to make something out of it. Not me. That one I decided to leave alone. But the stock that I did really well on, IRNT. And it's not like it was really fancy. It didn't have a $17 run like IMDP. What it had was betterness. So this stock right out of the gate, I was in, let's just open this up right here. So right at the bell, it dropped. I actually picked up and I was able to run the first 2 minutes, and that's where my first profit came from. It was great. And then it just tanked. And honestly, we all walked away from it. When I say we, I mean me. I walked away from it because Well, it had given up. And what I felt really good about is I finally traded a stock with the momentum up. I lost a little bit off the top and realized it was done. And I walked away. I didn't keep trying to trade it. And I surely didn't hold the bag today. I didn't hold it all the way down because it gave it all back, all of it, and then some. I mean, it went clear down to 24.50 from 31.50. Boom. See ya. And then it just kind of started to grind. Chugga, 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 chugga. Just like that. It was just grinding all day. Look at this. It just kept grinding up. That's a pretty nice chart. From really 10:30, 11 o'clock. A good trader could have killed it on that. So I started looking at it. End of day, I'm trying not to trade all day. So I came back down about 45 minutes left of power hour. And that's when I jumped in. So I started trading right in this neck of the woods. And let's just open that up just a little bit. Right in here. And look at all these nice little ups, pullbacks. Went up, pulled back, up, pulled back. I mean, this thing gave a ton of opportunities. It was holding well to that 9 EMA. You can look at that. It held well to that all the way. And then it extended into after hours and basically started going like parabolic again after hours. So after hours, I made like another $75 from really 30 minutes to probably a half hour after power hour. And I was only trading 25 shares at a time. Like, check this out. So all of them, 25 shares, sold, bought, 25 shares, sold, bought. And I really was just chugging into these, buying the dips. And here's what's fun, like this one right here, this is a perfect example. Bought 25, sold half, sold half, sold half again. Bought 25, sold half, sold half, sold half again. Bought 25, sold half, bought 25, sold half. So I was kind of like buying and then sell. And then as it would come back, I'd buy. And then it would go up and I'd sell some of it. And I was bagging profits. And then it would come back and I'd buy it. And it's the first time I felt like the really nice rhythm of buying and selling and buying as a stock is growing and parabolicing, moving. I wasn't being greedy. I felt like I was pretty cool, calm, and collected. It was by far the best day of trading ever. It was so much fun. And I kind of felt like maybe there's a hope. Maybe there's a chance that over time I can continue to develop the skill and make some money. Because you know, and I know, that I've lost more money than I've made by a large quantifier, by a big number. So it's going to take me chugging away $157 many green days to get back to even break even. And I'm actually okay with that because I'm trying to learn a skill. I'm not trying to get rich quick. And today I felt like I had a little bit of trading skill. It was so fun. So IRNT for the win. Green day for me. Gosh dang, it was awesome.